National People's Women's Front (Npwf) has strongly condemned the torching of 6 Meitei houses by Kuki miscreants at Kanto, Sabal. The front termed the incident a major failure on the part of the Indian Army and declared that the matter cannot be taken lightly. Addressing a press conference today at Npwf office Manipuri, State President Nonibala Sapam stated that the arson took place right under the nose of the Indian Army. According to Nonibala, this clearly indicates that the deployed security personnel failed to discharge their duties effectively. She pointed out that an incident in a remote area with insufficient security might be understood differently. However, yesterday's arson was carried out in broad daylight in the immediate presence of the army. Furthermore, she stated that the security forces, instead of apprehending the law breakers, they carried out the physical assault and fired numerous tear gas shells upon the locals who rushed to save the burning houses. She also recalled a past incident from May 29, 2023, when Kuki miscreants began torching Meitei houses at Lemokong Chingmang. She claimed that the Indian Army had similarly told the residents to abandon their homes and flee at that time. The Npwf president announced that they will submit a memorandum to the Home Minister demanding that the current army barricade point at Kanto Sabal be shifted 100 meters further towards Lemokong side and be jointly manned alongside state forces.
Army ki tiamta Kuki ga moi ga phamin naraga wari si saraga noi kaishu tawroi pochai hondokanu adum laimina hai aduga date 29 da mai thaba horakone hai mai thaba horak pasidai army singduna kundara aga akoi noi kanba ngamaroi noi chelo haibani haibasima yam nungai dana thamai aduga moina hairapasi madudai du da laiba army singsi pukhapigro 100 meters mu mathakta aduga adugi mafam today do state forces thambiyu haibasima khoi da thamai sigi se khoi national people's women front ki taraf tagi akoi home minister unaraga khoi sigi wapam se thamjarani aduma hairaga khoi ngarang ki thodok se yam nungai tabe incident ni